My name's Etienne, a product marketing manager at Soul Labs. In this video, I'll go over some of the exciting UI changes with QM10 release 10.11. Now, this is mostly a UI overhaul, which means the functionalities themselves of the software are minimally changed, if changed at all, but the way the navigation works and the way information is displayed is enhanced massively. But I'll go over what you see in this video in the home screen and the top bar navigation. And then I'll have further videos in this series where I'll go into the document section, the training section, the process section, and search specifically as well. For this first version though, let's stay with the home screen. First things first, within the items in the home screen, the information that's displayed at each level is the same as it was. One change though, and you can see the comparison on screen, is that now we have aligned items with each other, no matter how many characters are in an individual line. So items used to all the start dates would be in different places. Now they're all on top of each other. Same thing for the statuses, for the unique ID or document number, and etc. So it's just designed to be more clear in this way. On top of that, if I open up a specific process, for example, all the information that's displayed on screen is the same fields that you used to have, but it's displayed in a nicer manner. It used to be bunched up quite a bit, and now it's easy to read. There is also a color coding on documents depending on their statuses. From here, if I scroll down and then back up, you will notice that the top menu is always available no matter where I am in the screen. So you always have access to your menu items to move from one page to another. In this menu, you will see the drop-down menus. So you used to have the quick access menu on the right-hand side that was used when you were in a specific section to initiate any item you need within that section. Now you no longer need to be in the document section to have access to the document section menu, for example. So you have access to the process section menu, the document section menu, the training section menu, task, and the setup. Of course, this will depend on whether you are an administrator or what your permissions are within the software. Currently, keep in mind that I am showing this with the perspective of an administrator, so I can see and show all of the options. So if we go over the top bar quickly, there are processes options. If you want to just access the process section, you can click on it. Or you can click on process main page. It takes you to the same place, and the same logic applies for every individual section as well. Reporting is going to take you to SharePoint if you have permissions for it. Assessment will take you to question mark if you are a training administrator, otherwise you will not see the button. Search will take you to the search functionality. This button here takes you to the knowledge base. This button here takes you to your specific account details. If you want to make changes to your account as an individual, this is where you'll go. And then the setup option now is going to be used for administrative purposes, such as creating users, roles, custom lists, and etc. So we have separated acting on yourself as an individual from the setup section because there used to be some confusion there. From here, there's also a session timer in the right-hand portion here. And there's also the notion of a pop-up if you go below 5 minutes left in your session, where you can just click to continue the session, which was one of the highly requested features from our users. Then this button here is a well asked for feature, which takes you to the tree view directly. So you no longer have to go in the document section, the navigation, and display tree view. You can just access it directly from here, and it will populate the recent folders that you've opened. So you can not only get to the tree view, but get to the tree view at a specific point of your choosing based on those that you've visited recently. And then finally, in terms of the homepage, but also true for the entire software, is the notion that information is now fully responsive. So if I'm changing my screen size as we go here, you can see that it adapts very easily to what I have to show. Before, there was the option to change between very specific screen sizes, and you had to make do with these, but now it's fully adaptable and it'll be responsive no matter the screen size you have. So this is, in a nutshell, the changes for the homepage and the navigation bar. And as I said, tune in for the future videos where I will go over the other sections of the software.